Hey, this is Mike,
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
and we're back again with another video. And today is going to be about wake up every day and tell yourself today is going to be another beautiful day. Okay? Get in the habit of that, right?
Yes. Tell yourself it's going to be a beautiful day today. Every day is a beautiful day. You wake up in the morning and you say to yourself first, early thing in the morning, I will have a beautiful day today.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And then your whole day will be great.
Yes. The key thing is like whatever you program into your mind will be your reality. Okay? If you wake up first thing in the morning, right, and you say, "Oh, today is another beautiful day," guess what?
Then you will have a beautiful day.
Yeah, you're expecting that.
Because you're attracting that, you're expecting that,
Yes, your
that
subconscious.
you will have a beautiful day.
Yes, your subconscious is expecting that, right? So everywhere you go, you're gonna see beautiful people. You're gonna see beautiful events. Okay, and don't
Right.
even turn on the news. Okay,
Just go on with your day without
Yeah.
turning on the news.
yes, and then you'll see. We started doing this, right? And then, well,
Yeah, we
every
stopped
day.
watching TV at all. I mean, every day we just don't turn on the TV.
Yeah, every day we wake up. I say thank you, God, right? And I
And
expect.
today will be a good day.
Yeah, today is another beautiful day, right? So that's why we're here at the beach now, right? Look how beautiful it is,
Beautiful, you see?
right? So always do that. Okay, that there's a technique that it worked for us, and I know it's gonna work for
For you guys.
everyone, right? So it's all about reprogramming your mind, okay, for a beautiful day every day,
Right.
okay? Every day, just do that, and you'll see, okay? Believe in the power of appreciating, right?
Right.
The power of being positive, right? And then you're gonna just like go through life. Imagine every day is gonna be like this, right?
Right.
So-
Wouldn't you all want that too?
Yeah. Imagine every.
We all
seriously.
want to have a good day. Every day is a good day.
Yeah.
Every day is a beautiful day. People ask you, how are you doing today? Great.
Yep. Great.
Instead of say, oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
You put out that positive energy. Say, it's great. I had a great day today.
And guess what? Everywhere we go, right? Seriously, we meet the nicest people everywhere.
Right. You see
Right.
nice people, nice things,
Yeah.
beautiful
Right. And
things around you.
yeah, everywhere we go, we have the best of luck and the nicest people everywhere around us.
Right.
And
Very
we-
friendly people.
Yeah, we notice that change, right?
You have to notice and recognize things around you.
Yeah.
Right. You got to be aware of your surroundings.
Yep.
What's going on around you
Yeah.
every single day. You have to be aware.
Yeah. So always make that a habit.
Make that a habit. Yes.
like brushing your teeth, right?
We
Yeah.
say that all the time.
Yeah.
Daily routine, make it a habit.
Yeah.
Just like this, make it a habit.
Yeah.
Every day in the morning, tell yourself, I have a beautiful day today.
And
I have a great day today.
just remember, when you make things a habit, it's gonna be your destiny. Okay, it's secured in your life.
That's how vibration works, right? Raising your vibration.
Yeah, raise your vibration
Same
every
thing.
single day, right? This is a technique actually to raise
Right.
your vibration every
this
day.
is how you raise your vibration.
Yeah.
This is one of the techniques.
Yeah. So I hope that this helps someone out there. That's our true intentions.
Right.
Right.
This is what we experience. So
Yeah.
we're sharing this experience with you, with
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah. So believe me. So if you can just do this every single day.
Do this for yourself.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're doing this for your own good.
Yeah. And then
Do a favor for yourself.
yeah.
Right?
So watch. You're gonna like.
You're gonna see a big
see a big
change,
difference.
a big difference in your life.
Yep. So yeah. So once again, we always like try to give positive tips.
Tips.
Because we experience all this, and we try to share it with everybody.
Right.
So yeah, once again, if you can, please
hit the like button,
yeah.
subscribe for us, and leave a comment for us. Say I subscribed,
Yeah.
so we know.
Yeah, we love to hear
It
from
would
you.
be awesome if you do that for us.
Yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Here we go. Once again, we always do this.
Enjoy life. Ciao,
Peace.
everyone.